Good morning, respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends. I'm Yashasvi.
And I am Amol. We're here from Pallavi Model School, Kodukal. Together, we invite you to step into the future of clean energy.
Can you imagine our lives without electricity? No, right? Electricity is the backbone of our modern world, powering up everything from our homes and schools to our industries and transportation systems. It's very hard to imagine a world without electricity. In this presentation, let's explore the basics of electricity. There are many sources to generate electricity, but traditional energy sources are becoming expensive and causing a lot of pollution.
Even windmills, although renewable, use a lot of energy due to friction, wear and tear, and noise. Along with that, friction also causes heat, heating the parts which rub against each other.
One evening, while watching a ceiling fan spin, we noticed how much effort it takes to start. That's because of friction.
We may not make it spin like it's in space, but can't we increase its efficiency?
And the answer came from magnets, the most mysterious and invisible forces around us.
We all know windmills spin due to the high speed of the wind.
But what if we say our maglev can spin irrespective of the speed of the wind?
Yes.
We present to you our project Maglev. Our goal was clear, to create a maglev which generates power with high efficiency.
This supports SDG 7, affordable and clean energy, promoting efficient, low-cost and eco-friendly power generation.
Before choosing our design, we studied other wind-based systems like
Compressed air energy systems, which cost high with low efficiency. Wind to hydrogen systems also have disadvantages like complex design and maintenance, and they are also during storms. Airborne wind energy systems also have disadvantages
like safety risks.
Airborne wind energy systems also have disadvantages like complex design and maintenance, and they are also during storms. Traditional windmills produce a lot of noise, and maintenance is complex.
All these problems pointed to one major challenge. Friction reduces efficiency.
So we designed the maglev that removes friction entirely.
Our model works on two simple physics principles. First is magnetic repulsion. Like poles repel each other. Second is Faraday's law of induction. Every magnet has its own magnetic field, and when disturbed during this rotation, it produces electricity.
Together, these make our small model act like a real maglev turbine, futuristic, efficient and silent.
Our model uses ceramic magnets, DC motor, switch, and LEDs.
We place ceramic magnets on the base and on the rotor with like poles facing each other. When we use an external force, the propellers start to rotate without friction, without noise. We all know magnets have a magnetic field which, when disturbed or changed, generates electricity. The DC motor captures this induced electricity and passes it through the wires. Finally, when the electricity reaches the LEDs light up, showing successful power generation. As you can see, the propeller started to rotate, and this generates electricity which is lighting the bulb up. The maglev along with the solar panels make a hybrid mode of energy generating system by using some of the energy and by storing the rest in a battery. The type of energy whichever is in use can be switched on and off, and is usually DC motor in a prototype and a generator in a real-time project.
Our model is budget friendly. Installing this on large scale costs up to 2 to 3 lakhs, but this can power up to 25 houses in a village.
This makes it scalable for rooftops, hilltops, villages and coastal areas.
Traditional windmills lose energy due to friction, but our model eliminates that completely.
It is durable for 25 years and has energy efficient operation. No maintenance is required. It starts in gentle breezes. It is compact and eco-friendly, and it is also budget friendly.
No contact means no wear and tear. No friction means more electricity. No sound means 100% silent operation. No wind, but still works. A limitation is that strong magnets can be costly at large scale. High initial investment is required and requires precise engineering. Technical expertise is needed in case of repairs or adjustments.
But don't worry, we can overcome these challenges by starting with small-scale prototypes and using more valuable magnets, using precise modeling and modular components for easier assembly, provide training and easy-to-follow maintenance guides, place turbines away from migration and nesting areas to protect birds from shunting if any.
In future, we propose designing larger floating turbines and placing new DVM magnets in place of ceramic magnets. Thank you. We hope you liked our innovation.